Today we are going to do exercise 1.1 question 3 part 2 is question that you have to solve by completing square method. So first of all we have to change the side of the constant number. A is constant, it will change to plus a. Then we have to divide all the terms by the coefficient of x square, that is a. So after division we are getting x square plus 4x over a is equal to 1. Now we have to complete square. We have to make it a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it will be x whole square plus 2 multiplied by x, and then we have to divide 4 over a by 2, then we will get 2 over a. So it is b, so 2a over whole square, that is b square. So it is now complete square. Now we have to add the same thing on the right side, that is 1 plus 2 over a whole square. Now we have to close this formula. By closing this formula, we will get x plus 2 over a whole square equal to 1 plus 4 over a square. Now we have to take the LCM on the right side, so it will become a square plus 4 over a square. Because you know that when we don't have the LCM, we don't have the denominator of 1, then it will multiply with the LCM directly, so it will become a square. Now we have to take the square root, and then we will get x plus 2 over a is equal to plus minus a square plus 4 over a, because we have taken the square root of the a square, but we can't take the square root of a square plus 4 because we have addition sign. So we have to change the sign side of 2 over a, it will become minus 2 over a. We have to take the LCM and we will get solution minus 2 plus minus square root a square plus 4 over a. Now part 3, it is also similar to previous part. Now we have to change the side of the 3 into minus 3, then we have to divide all them by 11. Then we have to find the b after dividing 34 over 11 by 2. It will become 17 over 11. So our b is 17 over 11. Now the formula is x whole square minus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 17 over x plus 17 over 11 whole square. Same thing we have to add on the right side. Now we have to close this formula. By closing this formula, we will get x minus 17 over 11 whole square equal to minus 3 over 11 plus 289 over 121. Now we have to take the LCM on the right side, so it is 121. Now 121 divided by 11 is 11, 11 3 is 33, and 289 will be remain the same, because 120 divided, we have got 1, and then we have to multiply 1 with 289, we are getting 289. By subtraction we are getting 256 over 121. Now we have to take the square root, and square root cancel, and we have got x minus 1, x minus 17 over 11 equal to plus minus 16 over 11. Now we have to solve it with positive sign and then with negative sign, and we will get 3 and 1 over 11 as our solution set. Now part number 4. Part number 4 is lx square plus mx plus n equal to 0. So again, same method we have to use. We have to change the side of constant number and divide all the terms by the L. Then we will get x square plus m over L. X is equal to minus n over L. Now we have to find the b, that is m over 2L. We have to complete it square, then it will become x whole square plus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by m over 2L plus m over 2L whole square. So we have to add the same thing on the right side, that is m over 2L whole square. After taking square, we are getting m square over 4L square. Now we have to take the LCM. LCM will be 4L square. We have to divide 4L square by L. We are getting 4L. 4L multiplied by minus n, we are getting minus 4Ln plus m square over 4L square. Now we have to take the square root of the both sides. Then it will become x plus m over 2L is equal to plus minus square root minus 4Ln plus m square over 2L. We have to arrange it. We have got m square plus 4Ln over 2L. Now we have to change the side of my m over 2L, it will minus m over 2L. Take the LCM and we will get minus m plus minus square root m square minus 4Ln over 2L. It is a solution set because further solution is not possible. Now part number 5. We don't have the constant, then we have to divide all the terms by the coefficient of x square, that is 3. Then we have got the equation x square plus 7 over 3x equal to 0. And then we have to find the b, that is 7 over 6. We have to take its square and add on the both sides. Then we have to close the formula. It will become x plus 7 over 6 whole square equal to 7 over 6 whole square. Now we have to take the square root, and then we have to solve it with the positive sign and then with the negative sign. And then we have to change the side of 7 over 6, then it will become minus 7 over 6. When we are changing its side, then both the values are same, the sign opposite, and where you have to do cancel, and then we x is equal to 0. Then on the other hand, we have got 6 as the LCM, minus 7 will become minus 14, and we can do the cancellation by 2, then we will get minus 7 over 3. These are our solution set. Now part number 6 is x square minus 2x minus 95. Change the side of 195, it will become plus 195. Then we have to find b, that is 1. So we have to add the same number on the right side, and then we will get, after closing the formula, x minus 1 over 1 whole square equal to 196. Now we have to take the square root. On the right side we are getting plus 114, so we have to solve it plus and then minus. Then we have got x to 15 and x to minus 13. Now part number 7 in this question, 7 over 2x is on the right side, we have to bring on the left side and bring the constant number on the right side. And then we can take the minus common, minus from the both sides will cancel, and then we have to find b, that is 7 by 4. So we have to take its square and add it on the both sides. Then we have to close the formula. It will become x plus 7 over 4 whole square equal to 15 over 2 plus 49 over 16. Take the square root, then take the LCM. LCM is 16, then we have to divide 16 by 2. We have got 8 15 and 120, and plus 49. After adding, we are getting 169 over 16. We have to take the square root. We have got 13 over 4 plus minus. Then we have to solve it plus, and then we have to solve minus, and we are getting 3 over 2 after doing the cancellation. And the other hand, we have got x is equal to minus 20 over 4, and after division we are getting minus 5. So it is our solution set. Now part number 8, and part number 8, 33 over 4 is a constant. We have to change its side, and then we have to complete the formula. Then we have to find the b, that is 17 over 2. We have to take its square and add on the right side as well as on the left side. Then close the formula. We are getting 17 over 2. Then it will become x plus 17 over 2 whole square equal to minus 33 over 4 plus 289 over 4. LCM we have taken, that is 4. Then after subtraction we are getting 256 over 4. Then we can divide it, or we can take the square root. After taking the square root, we are getting on the right side 16 over 2. Then we have to change the side. We have to solve with the plus or minus. We have to change the side of 17 over 2 equal to minus 17 over 2. Take the LCM, that is 2. So at the end we are getting answer minus 1 over 2 and minus 33 over 2, because further cancellation is not possible. Now part number 9. Part number 9 is a form of fraction, and we have to take the LCM. The LCM is 3x plus 1. We have to multiply both sides with this LCM. After doing the cancellation, we are getting 12x plus 4 minus 8 equal to 3x square plus 5. We have to bring all the values on the left side, and we are getting 0 on the right side, and we will get minus 3x square plus 12x minus 9. We can take minus 3 common, and minus 3 will go on the right side and it will become 0. Then we have to apply the same formula again, change the side of a constant number. Then we have to find the b and add its square on the left side and on the right side. After doing subtraction, we are getting x minus 2 whole square equal to 1. Take the square root, and at the end the answer is x to 3 and x to 1. Number 10, we have to 7. We have a 7 outside the bracket. We have to open the square of the bracket, and we have to multiply this bracket with 7. So after opening the square, we have got x square plus 4a square plus 2x multiplied 2a. A square plus b square plus 2a formula is used. Then we have to multiply this square with the 7. First of all, we have to multiply a small bracket inside the square bracket. So we are getting 4ax. So we have to multiply this bracket with 7. We are getting 7x square plus 28a square plus 28ax plus 3a square. And on the right side, we have a 5a outside bracket. We have to multiply it with the bracket. We are getting 35ax plus 115a square. Now we have to bring all the values on the left side, and then we have to arrange them according to the variable x. and we are getting 7x square minus 84 a square minus 7ax. Arrange it with respect to x, then we have got 7x square minus 7x, 7ax minus 84 a square. We can take 7 common, then it will become x square minus ax minus 12a square equals 0. Then we have to apply the same formula, change the side with constant, then complete the square. B, we are getting a over 2, we have to add its square on the left side or on the right side. It will become x minus a over 2 whole square. Then we have to take that on the right side, we're getting 4, 4, 12 are 48 a square plus 1 a square, we're getting 49 a square over 4. Take the square root of the left side and the right side, we are getting x minus a over 2 is equal to plus minus 7a over 2. We have to solve with the plus sign and negative sign, and we are getting 7a plus a over 2, and we are getting 4a, and on the other hand we are getting minus 7a plus a over 2, we are getting minus 6a over 2, and after division we are getting minus 3a. So our answer is 4a and 3a. Now the derivation of the quadratic formula. It is also similar to the previous question, because the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, and we have to use the same method which we have used in the completing square. Change the side of a constant number, that is c. Then we have to divide all this term by a. We are getting x square plus b over ax plus is equal to minus c over a. Then we have to find the b, that is b over 2a. We have to take its square and add it from the left side and right side. Close the formula. On the left side we are getting x plus b over 2a whole square, and on the right side we are getting minus c over a plus b square over 4a square. Take the LCM, LCM is 4a square. Then we have to divide 4a square by a. We are getting 4a multiplied by c is minus 4ac, and 4a squared over 4a squared is 1 multiplied by b squared is 4 is b square. So now we have to arrange it. It will become b square and 4ac. Then take the square root, and we are getting x plus b over 2a equal to plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a, because the square root of 4a square is possible, that is 2a. Now we have to change the side of b over 2a. It will change to minus b over 2a. Take the LCM, and it will become minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac. Now we will do the exercise 1.2 next time.